LG G1 OLED is an amazing flagship 4K OLED TV. It comes with LG's new EVO panel, which aims to increase brightness compared to typical OLED panels. It provides a significant improvement over its predecessor, the LG GX OLED, in HDR content, but there is not much of a difference in HDR content. The TV has a unique slim design meant to sit flush against the wall with its dedicated wall mount, and it doesn't come with a stand. It delivers the same exceptional picture quality as other QLEDs with a near infinite contrast ratio and perfect black uniformity. It's packed with gaming features like variable refresh rate support, 4 hdmi 2.1 inputs, and a near instant response time for a smooth gaming experience. Unfortunately, OLEDs risk permanent burn-in, which could be a problem if you constantly watch the same content with static elements, like leaving it on the same news channel all day, but we don't accept to be an issue if you watch varied content. The LG G1 OLED is an amazing overall TV. It delivers stunning picture quality for darkroom viewing because of its near infinite contrast ratio and perfect black uniformity. It's also good to use in OLED rooms for watching sports or TV shows, as it has fantastic reflection handling and the wide viewing angles make it suitable for wide sitting areas. HDR content looks amazing as it displays a wide color gamut and has decent HDR peak brightness, enough to make highlights stand out. Gamers should appreciate the variable refresh rate support and HDMI 2.1 inputs. Unfortunately, it has the risk of permanent burn-in, so may not be the best choice to use solely as a PC monitor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.